I'm Chris Stratner. I'm the Director of Product Development at Mobilize Rescue Systems, and today I'm going to help you learn how to save lives. If you're a bystander at the scene of a medical emergency, you might be the best or only chance someone has at surviving. It can take more than 10 minutes for an ambulance to arrive, and that's just too long for the victims of the most serious emergencies. Severe bleeding can be fatal in 3 minutes. Serious breathing problems can cause death in as little as 6. And that's why bystanders play such an important role in the chain of survival. If this seems overwhelming, don't worry. The Mobilize Rescue System is designed to help walk you through the first critical minutes of a medical emergency, like bleeding, allergic reactions, seizures, or heart problems. And you never have to feel helpless during an emergency. All you need is the knowledge in the Mobilize Rescue app, access to our life-saving supplies, and the willingness to lend a hand to someone in need. Preparation for medical emergencies with the Mobilize Rescue System is very simple. Visit the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Mobilize Rescue app. Create an account with a valid email, enter your organization's licensing code, and the app is ready to go. Keep an eye out for the public access stations or compact units so that during an emergency, you know where to get life-saving equipment. In the event of an emergency, just launch the Mobilize Rescue app. The app will coach you even if you don't have any medical training. It will prompt you to ask the right questions to assess a victim. It will direct you to the proper medical supplies and give you clear, simple instructions to manage the emergency. The app will even prompt you to dial 911 when it's appropriate. A time-stamped summary of your actions is available to show EMS or document the incident. With the Mobilize Rescue app on your phone and a public access station, you have everything you need to save lives. Someone has been shot in the chest. You don't know what to do, so you open the Mobilize Rescue app and follow the instructions. First, take a deep breath. Why do we take a deep breath? It helps calm your mind and begins to bring order to the chaos of this medical emergency. We touch start. First, put on gloves. We don't want to contaminate ourselves or anything else in the environment, so we start by making sure that we're safe and putting on gloves. Is the victim bleeding badly? Our victim has been shot in the chest and is bleeding badly. We're presented with a silhouette, and we're going to touch where the victim is bleeding worst. For our victim, we choose the blue chest. Locate the chest seal, labeled Chest Seal C1, with a green label in the compact or public access individual kit. Locate the shears to cut away clothing to see the injury. And a black screen appears telling us we're going to apply a chest seal. We open the package, use gauze to wipe away the blood. Using the red tab, peel the chest seal from the plastic backer and stick the seal to the chest over the wound. All wounds must be sealed, and one seal may cover many wounds. We're going to check this seal every few minutes. The app will interrupt us no matter what we're doing to check to make sure that that seal is in good shape. It asks, where is the victim bleeding the worst now? And this victim is not bleeding. Is this victim unconscious? No. Is the victim choking? No. Is this a possible drug overdose? No. Assist the victim to a comfortable position. Seated or laying is best. So we're going to sit. Loosen any tight clothing or jewelry. The victim may prefer to lean forward. And is there a chance that this victim is overheated? No. So we'll locate the emergency blanket, labeled gray emergency blanket 7, and hit next. We'll use the blanket to keep the victim warm. It's extremely important to keep trauma patients warm. Blood doesn't work as well when it's cold. And we'll remove our gloves. We're going to take one glove off, pull them inside out. It will remind you to wash your hands with soap and warm water as soon as possible. And at the very end, there's a treatment summary of everything you've done for this patient. We applied a chest seal and then removed our gloves. Feel free to practice additional scenarios to familiarize yourself with the software. From now on, you have everything you need to save lives.